What's up, everybody? Gold Pan Dan here, and so I was at the Plant Nursery the other day, and I ran across this bag of, well, potting soil. What caught my eye was the fact that it says gold dust right here on the thing. I know everybody's tried like the Home Depot dirt and stuff like that, the Home Depot sand, and you know, if it says it has gold in it, I mean, that's almost a guarantee, right? Well, let's check it out. I'm going to be running my little baby Royal High Banker. It's running off a 1200 gallon per hour pump connected to my little 12-volt battery out of my truck. So let's run it. Break up the clumps, make sure it's not too clumpy here. And it's okay that it's filling down there. It's going to run down over and it's going to get all over my grass, and that's going to be great. Most of this light stuff that's just flowing on by is just going to be like your twigs and your all that small stuff, light stuff that you're not even going to have any gold in. If the gold is in here, it's going to be sitting down with these rocks and stuff that are coming out. So a lot of this light stuff, it's okay that it floats on by. But this nice ripple, you can actually see it really well when you got that mulch running through there. So this rippling, your gold's going to drop down behind it and in front of it. So this is what would happen in like bedrock and stuff out in a river. So you'll see it kind of runs up and over, and your gold will jump down behind because it's a lower, you kind of have a little low eddy here where that heavy stuff will just drop out. But then you've also got where the ripples are, you've got a step. So the heavies will get stuck right there along the back side of those too. So it's kind of a double whammy on there. Alright, so I've ran more than half the bag, and I've noticed in here, there's these little chips of quartz. This little quartz right here, it just helps signify that they're at least in an area that could potentially have gold. Whether they add it in or not, if it's just native in the rock that the base is, then, I mean, we have a chance of at least finding some gold. But you can kind of see it's kind of filled up here. I don't have a lot of water flow just because of how small this gold probably is. I wanted to make sure it would stay in my sluice box. So what I'm going to do is I'm now going to clean all this out. I'm going to put it into my gold pan, and we'll pan it out. Okay, everybody knows how to run a gold pan, I assume. If not, well, I'm going to have another video for that, and I'll probably put it at the end of this video. But what we're doing is we're just going to get our heavies to settle to the bottom and pan it out. So there's a little teeny piece right there. But this is like micron gold, so this is going to be very, very small stuff, hard to recover. Oh, there's another little piece. There might be another one right up in here. So this is very, very small stuff. So would I suggest getting a bag of this and trying it? Probably not, because your payout's not too good, but I will say it's definitely good for your garden.